that was pigmented. Hi guys, my name is Ife and I'm a beauty blogger and doctor based in the UK, and you're welcome back to my channel. I know I promised I was going to do a review of the Bondi Sands sunscreen, but something came out and I just had to review it instead. So one of my favorite UK beauty bloggers, the Plastic Boy Gary, came out with a collection with Makeup Revolution, and I got my hands on it and I want to show you guys. So yeah, if you guys live in the UK and you watch beauty content, you probably know the Plastic Boy, and I really love his content. I love his vlogs and his reviews on here on YouTube. So I released a collection of an eyeshadow palette, 2 lip kits, a face primer, and a highlighter. And I got my hands on the eyeshadow palette, the highlighter, and the lip kit. So if you guys would like to see what I think about them, keep on watching. So first of all, this is how the eyeshadow palette comes. I really love the packaging. I think it's so cute. It looks so luxurious, and this costs £12, which I think is a really good price for the packaging. I've obviously dipped into some of the shades, so I'm going to just show you guys what the shades look like. And this palette has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, has 18 shades in it. I think it's a really good palette, and the packaging is really sturdy. It has like a tin like packaging. Like, the packaging is not cardboard, the packaging is made of metal, of tin, so I feel it's like really sturdy and will be very travel friendly. The highlighter has this beautiful gold, and it looks so good. The gold with chocolate is given, and this is what the shade looks like. So big. Like, that was the first thing I noticed when I bought. I was like, this highlighter is huge. Let me swatch it for you guys so you guys can see how it looks. So that is how it looks on my hand. It's really nice sheen. I should mention that both the highlighter and the eyeshadow palettes come with mirrors, which is really good. Last thing I got was the lip kit. And the lip kit he has 2 lip kits, the hazelnut macchiato, and I can't remember the name of the other one, but I got the darker one, and it comes in a kit. It comes with a lipstick. The name of the lipstick is hazelnut macchiato. Then there's a lip gloss, also called hazelnut macchiato, and a lip pencil called macchiato. This costs £12, which I think is a huge steal. So I'm going to go ahead to create an eyeshadow look with the eyeshadow palette.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Does it ever happen to you guys where you create a look but you don't remember how you create it? I'm going to first start off with the shade Madness, and I'm going to put that all over my crease area, and that's going to be my transition. A really light, nice orange, and it's really pigmented, and it's just doing the damn job. Like, it's blending in seamlessly into my crease. And after that, I'm going to go ahead to kind of create a wing with this shade Slip and Slay. This is what the shade is looking like, this shade Slip and Slay. And I'm going to create a wing starting from like my lash line and going upwards, and then I'm taking that, creating that wing, that nice wing. I'm going in with the shade Sip and Slay and taking a bit of Slay. Sip and Slay is like a cooler tone brown. It's a cooler tone brown, while Slay is like a warmer brown. And I'm going to use that in my crease and connect it to the wing that I have already, and wing it out to create that nice shape. But I'm not taking it all the way in, because I want to keep everything out here, if that makes any sense. I'm going to dip in my crease, dip in the outer corner a little bit more. A flat angled brush, and the black, and this black is really black. I've been using this black in my waterline, and it is so good. And I'm going to use that to mixing that in with the shade Slay, which is brown, and kind of blend it out so that it's not so harsh, but rather like a blown out eye. A little bit of that orange shade I used initially, Madness, and blend it out like the outer part of my eye to wing it up, because I really want this look to be, I want my eyes to be snatched up, like up. So I'm taking a little bit of that shade because I feel like it's not dark enough yet out on the outer corner, and I'm taking the tail because this brush is really pointed, and I'm definitely taking more and winging it up. I want it to have this snatched look. Fluffy eyeshadow brush, and going with that same shade Madness. Yes, I'm using the same shade all over my lid. I'm going to just pat it all over my lid, and I'm going to mix it in with a little bit of the shade Crew all over my lid and take that up. I'm going to take in that angled brush I used earlier to create the wing and mix in Sip and Slay and Prr. So that's a really dark brown and black together, and put that in my waterline. But I'm not taking it all the way in. I'm just leaving it out there and kind of connecting it to the wing I already have upwards, and just blending that orange into my crease. Eyeshadow pigment is so good. They blend in like a dream, and these shades, I like these shades because this is really like my go-to kind of palette, color palette for doing eyeshadow looks. If you know me personally, orange, give me orange, browns, a black, neutral, and I'm good to go. I was thinking of putting an inner liner, but I don't think I want to do that because I think I want to just leave it like this. I don't want it to be too doe-eyed. But I'm going to go ahead to do a quick nose contour, and I'm going to be using this shade Slay, a dab into the shade Slay, and mix it in with the shade Periods, and going in from, ooh, that was pigmented. So I'm going to dust that off and take it to the other side. Okay, I need to take that off, excess off, and just bring that down my nose. I always like to start my nose contour from like the bridge of my nose, from my eyebrows, the end of my eyebrows, and I'm going to take that. That was just so. Now for bronzer, this is such a multi-functional palette that I think I want to use the shades Slay and Sip and Slay. I'm going to hit pan on these shades. I can see that happening already, and I'm going to just use that to bronze tone my face. So I think the shade Slay is a great bronzer, and the shade Sip and Slay is a great contour if you're my skin tone. And I'm going to use that to just go in and blend. It is so pigmented, guys. And I'm then going to go in with the shade Rocked as a blush, or should I say as a bronzer. I'm going to use the shade Blushed as a bronzer, and then I'm going to use the shade Okay as a blush, and I'm taking the blush higher on my cheeks. Because I really want it to, my eye cheeks to like be higher up. I'm mixing a little bit of that shade Madness. I'm going on to use the highlighter. The highlighter is so nice. And I'm going to, and I love the fact that it has a mirror. That's just amazing because I can just look at myself. And oh, and this is a Morphe brush. This is a Morphe 5610 brush. Okay. This pigment is not joking, guys. Like, it is not joking. There's no jokes here. No jokes. So I'm going to just, this is a really dense brush. So I'm going to just go ahead to use the lip kit before I then round off my makeup and apply mascara because I'm not doing lashes. Pencil in the shade Hazelnut Macchiato, and I'm just creating my Cupid's bow. And lining. I want to use a lipstick, which is a really nice chocolate nude, very fall friendly and very, you know, came just right in time for the right season. And that's what the lip looks like. I kind of wish that the lip pencil was slightly darker, but that's just me. But the lip still looks really good. I'm going to obviously go ahead with gloss, and this gloss smells So amazing, amaze balls. And it's not a shimmery tacky gloss, which is what I love. It's more cushiony and more comfortable on the lips, and it smells really good. It smells like coffee. It smells amazing. I don't have many lip glosses that look like this, that have this nice chocolate sheen to it without being too glossy. So this is nice for a change. I love the way this looks. And I'm going to go ahead to apply mascara and just turn up, like round off the look, and then I'll be right back. I've done put my eyes together, applied some mascara, and this is what we are looking like. I love the way this looks. I love how subtle the eye looks. Some of my thoughts about the product: I think that the eyeshadow palette is absolutely amazing, especially if you're looking for a warm tone eyeshadow palette with brown and orange shade, nude shades. This is just your go-to. The packaging is really good, and I think this is really travel friendly. The shades are really pigmented, as you guys have seen already, and I really recommend it. When it comes to the highlighter is also really pigmented. It's a huge size, so if you want to buy something that will last a while, this should really last a while. I also love the fact that it comes with a mirror. And the lip kit, I really love the lip gloss. I've been reaching out for it a lot. I like the way it smells. I love the way it feels comfortable. It really feels comfortable on lips. Very different from other lip glosses I have tried. It feels very cushiony, more like a cushiony lip gloss, or a cushion lip gloss rather than a gloss. And I like that because it feels more comfortable for me and it does not feel tacky. I love the lip pencil as well, and the lipstick. But if I had to choose the product I would buy again, to definitely be the eyeshadow palette and the lip kits, especially the lip gloss, but they are not sold separately. So this hazelnut macchiato would be a great lip kit to buy if you're like my skin tone or lighter, and you want to get like a really nice chocolatey brown but not too dark fall lip. I think that this makeup look came together so nicely, and I really love this product. I've been reaching out for them even before I reviewed them, especially the eyeshadow palette. I have been using the black shade product for my waterline almost every day, and I think that the products are definitely worth the purchase, especially the eyeshadow palette, and you guys should get your hands on it. And yeah, those are my thoughts about the Plastic Boy X Makeup Revolution collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, the old YouTube style. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.